Hello everyone, let's take a look at next automation problem. This is the medium one. In order to complete this obstacle, you need to count the rows in the table, input the count into the text field and click the button click me. So basically this table we have to find the number of rows is what they are saying, and then whatever the number of rows are there I have to enter it here and then click on click me. Very basic automation problem. Let's get started. So I'll fire up my scan. A hint in this, you would be using one of the functions or one of the keywords in TOSCA, which would help you to get this information very easily. In case you want, you can pause this video, think about the approach and then watch the remaining video. So I'll capture the table here, and since we have to enter it in this, I'll capture this and I'll capture the click me button. Okay, that's all. I will put in the obstacle number here and I'll just quickly validate. It is taking ID and table, we are good here, should not have any issue here. Tag ID as well, we are good here. Click me, it is taking, I can probably select one of the inner text. Anyways, that should not matter because we don't have other buttons here. And I'll save this, I'll close this, I'll go back to my commander and I'll create a test case. So I'm dragging and dropping this to the test case, and I'll quickly rename the test case here. Okay, now first thing is we need to get the count, the row count of this. Okay, so in case you want to get the row count or the column count, we have a keyword which we can use. So basically I want to capture this value and pass in here. So if I'm able to capture this value, I need to save it somewhere. So that's where we should use buffer here. Okay, and here I can use I have to write dot row count exactly like this, and whatever buffer name you want to enter. Okay, so the moment I do that, it will turn out into this blue color and this will turn out into green. If in case you're not using the right one, it is going to not turn out, so that means you have to fix something here. Okay, so dot row count and then whatever the name you want. This is something which depends on you. Okay, so I'll just copy this, we can take the exact same name. I'll copy this. Now we are able to capture the number of rows, we have to pass that value here. So I will select the action mode input here and I'll pass this buffer value. So I'll put curly brackets b square brackets and I'll put the buffer name here. Somehow it has captured this, I'll remove this and I will close this. Now again this will also turn it like this, and once we have entered that, we have to click on click me. So I'll click select input here and I can pass a click or I can pass X as well. Will you go with click? Now this should solve our problem. Let's see it in action. I'll run this and we'll see if it works or not. So basically first it is going to find the number of rows and it is going to put it on row count and then click on click me. So see, this has worked perfectly fine and you will get this pop-up, and we have successfully solved our this particular automation problem. Thank you very much. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye bye.